What's up, guys? Welcome to our channel Think Beyond the Brain. Today, we are going to talk about good lifestyle habits you must adopt. Now, this means what? Good lifestyle habits. Now, habits, we all know that what we always do, and the things which we cannot live, with the things which we cannot leave. Like, if my habit is to draw things on the blank paper, and if it is not good, just tore it up. So now it has become my habit so that if anytime I draw, if a little bit it is wrong, by myself only I tour. If I don't want, then also sometimes it does, sometimes not. This is a habit. So some habits are good, some are not. So today we are going to talk about good lifestyle habits you must adopt, which will help you in your life. So before starting with the video, if you if you want to understand this video better, you have to watch the video till the last. Please like our video. Please like our video, please share our video, and just subscribe our channel and then click at the bell icon so that you will get the future video notifications. Now, good lifestyle habits, why we have to adopt? Developing simple lifestyle habits can be much easier and more effective than traditional resolutions. Now, in the last video, we have made a video on resolutions as the January 2022 has came. So today we are going to talk about good lifestyle habits you must adopt. Now, some people find talking about resolutions very hard or then adopting it hard because they are just promises which sometimes people break it suddenly. But these habits, good lifestyle habits, when it become a thing like habit, then it is very hard to be thrown up by the body. It is it is like the functioning of the body, like our parts have to do like this or else we cannot live. The habit becomes something like that. So January 2022 is the perfect time to evaluate your wellness routine and reinvigorate your life. Now, as you all know that because of this COVID-19 pandemic, everyone are at home. So they can get they are getting the perfect time to see about themselves, to see about their physical fitnesses, rather than attempting sweeping life changes like quitting social media or losing weight. Focus on the small things, whether it is talking time to regularly engage in activities you love, eating more vegetables, or limiting phone usage. Now, we all always take like resolutions in that, or like I will not see TV now more time, I will not waste food, I will not waste water, and these all. But these habits are the things which we have to do, which we have to do, and these help in our life. So we can do on focus on small thing, keep the environment clean, or don't use the phone a lot. These can come in the habits. That way, you will work towards your larger goals without feeling overwhelmed and learn something new about yourself during a less stressful process. It's truly a win win situation. Now, now we will start with our first lifestyle habit. Include vegetables in your daily diet. Now we all know that vegetables are very important in our daily life. They give us vitamins and minerals which are essential for us for functioning of our body systems and many. They give us strong power to fight with diseases. Including vegetables in your meals every day is extremely important. Veggies are packed with nutrients and antioxidants, which help you stay healthy and prevent diseases, as well as you lose weight due to their low calorie content. 2 cups of vegetables are advised to consumed every day. But this can be difficult for some of you. Some of you find it hard to consume enough vegetables each day, while others are uncertain how to prepare them in an appetizing way. Now, sometimes when we try doing this, some vegetables which we don't like I also I don't like some vegetables like brinjal. So From now on, we have to start eating the things which we vegetables which we don't like, because they have a lot of nutrients. And which vegetables we don't like and which we don't eat a lot, from now if we start eating it, we will be needing it a lot, because we have not get the protein and vitamins which are there in that brinjal, that vegetable which we are not eating. So as soon we will start, we will get that nutrient, that vitamins. So we will need more of it. The second one is drink 2 liters of water every day. Now you all know that water is very much important in our life, because as our body is 75% made up of water, the earth is three-fourths of water. So that's why water is very important in our life. Even mild dehydration can affect you mentally and physically. Now, when we don't drink water, the feeling which we get is called dehydration. And if the dehydration is caused a lot, then we can be mentally affected or physically. It significantly affects on our energy. It frustrates our brains. When we are hydrated, it is the key to maintaining energy, reducing headaches, and so much more. The third one is get on a better sleep schedule. Now, sleeping is also a very big thing in the human's life. If we don't get a particular sleep or don't get a particular rest for our body parts, then they can they can be a very much rough and tough over there. They'll be a very bit rough. That's why they will not be used properly. They will not be smooth. It will pain in your hands and that all. So that's why we should keep a better sleep. So in this, you can make schedules like I will sleep at this time till this to this, so that I will get a better freshness. So let 2022 be the year that you finally take control over your sleep schedule. Getting proper sleep affects so many areas of your life, including your appetite, mood, hormones, and general well being. Plus, once you start prioritizing sleep, there's less chance of you being irritable, stressed, or inclined to snap. Now, the fourth one is engage in 30 minutes activity of your choice. Now, this means that if you always make yourself active, everyone says that always be active. If you will be active, you will not get bored. Be active, do something new, learn something, read something. So, in this 30 minutes activity daily of your choice, you can do. Like, if today I want to do reading, today 30 minutes I will do reading. Tomorrow I am going to do drawing, so I will do now drawing. So like this, whatever I want to do, I can do in this 30 minutes, because as in this 30 minutes, I can do anything which can be done by my body parts and which will not affect me anymore. My physical body should be worked over there. It's no secret that moving more helps us to be fitter and healthier. Research shows that a little as 30 minutes of activity per day can offer multiple benefits of cardiovascular health. Now, this means that the cardiovascular health means the parts which are inside of our body, means like our hearts, kidneys, intestine, stomach, and that all are inside and which are very delicate. If something happens to them, they are very much delicate. So anything touches also there, it can harm our parts. So that's why by these 30 minutes activity daily, the researchers are tell if we do 30 minutes activity per day, it can offer multiple benefits to our cardiovascular health, hormonal health, and so much more. You may choose to dance, practice, or go for a walk if you can't get in the workout. Now, our fifth one is each day spend some time de stressing. Now, if stress has anxious, tense, and worried, consider trying meditation. Now, when we work a lot, when in this busy empire, when we work a lot, we get a little bit stressed that yeah, I want to now do this, I want to do that. Then I am get tired. So what you will do? So what you will do? You will get angry. So when you get angry, tired, worried, so that time your mind is not fit for the work which you want to do. So that's why we have to meditate each other. Spending even 10 minutes in meditation can restore your calm and inner peace. Anyone can practice meditation. It's simple and inexpensive. It is just like a free app, downloading it. Now, the sixth one is ask for help and feel comfortable doing so. Now, we should ask for help for everyone if we need it. Now, if in this thing I am good and this another thing I am bad, so in this another thing I should ask help to others so that they will help me and then I will be good at this thing also. And we have to not feel shy. Like some people feel that, yeah, if I will ask them what he will think about me, he will think I am dumb or I don't know how I am feeling shy. That all reasons are not not a reason. They are just excuses to not ask people. That's why in this thing we should feel comfortable doing so, because this is an like a response. This is a responsibility or something like that. Because a human can only help a human. We should know how to ask for help. Asking for help is not a sign of weakness. It's not bothering anyone. It's just getting the help you need in order to work through problems and accomplish goals. People are very willing to offer help if asked for it, but we tend to avoid situations where it's necessary to ask for someone's help, and that creates a negative cycle. We never ask for help. So, we never become comfortable asking for help, and because we are uncomfortable asking, we continue to avoid it. Now, the seventh one is include one thing you enjoy in your day or a week. Now, all people like something or some not. So which thing you like? The fun thing, the laugh thing which the thing can you make you laugh? That one particular thing you should do in one day or in one week. So in this busy empire, some people don't have time in a day, but in a week the God has made Sunday, and Sunday is a fun day. So that's why people can rest at that time, but we should not rest. We should add a full day in the enjoyment of ourselves, in just relaxing, to leave all eating vegetables or leave all exercise, and that all whatever we want to do, we have to do it, so it will get an enjoyment to us and the body needs laughing. It could be as simple as a dance class or learning a new hobby, a skill or joining a book club. Do more of what makes you feel happy and you will see your life changing for the better. If this seems too daunting, start with something even smaller, maybe sometimes pampering yourself with a face mask, a foot scrub, or even just 10 minutes to yourself. Drink your tea or coffee. Now, last eighth one is 30 minutes before bedtime. Avoid using any gadgets or devices. Now, we should not use gadgets and devices at all, because now the harmful radiations which are coming there, they have increases a lot. But for getting knowledge, we need it. And if we need it, sometimes many people just take their mobiles and gadgets at night only. And if they take at night, they see and then just they go to sleep. So some brain problems happen to them, because now all the radiation is there in our mind. When our brain is active from not from the radiation, that time the whatever the things which are not necessary in our body, in our brain, the brain throws it out like the radiations of the mobile. But when we sleep, nothing can the brain does nothing. So that's why it's full like, yeah, come radiations and do whatever you want. That's why we have, before 30 minutes of bedtime, we have to not use any gadgets or devices. It's the bedtime routine for so many of us. Hop into the pajamas, flip the lights off, roll into bed, and then reach for the cell phone. We are all guilty of it. And hey, you may even find yourself guilty of it right now while watching this video. But since you are here, You might as well soak up this useful knowledge and go to the bed. So, after seeing this video, take a rest for 30 minutes or do something activity and then go to your sleep. Tempting as it might be to use your computer or phone before bed, studies have shown these devices can interface with sleep by suppressing the production of melatonin, a natural hormone released in. So, habits. Now, today we have learned about habits. What are habits? Habits are the things which which we do by ourselves. Now we cannot stop that things every time. So today we have learned about habits and good lifestyle habits you must adopt. Thanks for watching our video till the end. Please like our video, share our video, and subscribe our channel. And then it comes a bell like thing. Click on it and set it all so that you will get the notifications which will come as soon as we upload a video. Thank you.